Welcome learners. We are in the 13th week of the course on cybersecurity. The major focus of this week is on digital forensic investigation methods, report writing and management of evidence. Let us look at the objectives of this week. The major objective of the 13th week of the course is to provide the learners the need for digital forensic investigation, the prerequisites of the same, the process mechanism and various models available along with computer forensic tools. This week also presents the importance of report writing, explaining the characteristics of a good report and the guidelines for preparing it. Finally, the ways of obtaining, preserving and managing the forensic evidences are discussed. Learning outcomes. Towards the end of the 13th week, the learners will be able to analyze the importance of conducting digital forensic investigation, explain the digital forensic process models, expose to various computer forensic tools that are available currently, define the need for writing reports, examine the characteristics of a good report and the key points to be considered while writing reports, illustrate various ways in obtaining a forensic evidence and tips for collecting them, clarify the process of digital evidence examination. Finally, delineate the ways of preserving the digital forensic evidences and storing them. We'll look at the brief outline and the structure of the course. Under digital forensic investigation, we are going to focus on why to investigate, prerequisites for an effective investigation, process models of computer forensic investigation. Next, digital forensic investigation process. Then comes the phases involved in carrying out the computer forensics investigations, followed by the maintaining professional conduct and finally the forensic tools. Under the module report writing and management of evidence, we are going to discuss on introduction to report writing, characteristics of a good report, key points in writing a report, report writing for high-tech investigations. Under the management of evidence, the focus is on the ways to obtain evidence forensically, what we need to know while maintaining evidence, tips for evidence collection, evidence storage, preservation of digital evidence examination, and other analysis techniques of acquiring evidences. Finally, it's followed by conclusion, glossary, references in the form of books and web links. These are for the extra learning. The engagement time of this week is 4 hours, out of which learning for 3 hours, the video lecture for 1 hour, e-text and other reference materials for another 2 hours, the assessment and discussion forum for 1 hour. Assessment plan is for 1 hour, out of which quizzes for 15 minutes and discussion forum for another 45 minutes. So we'll meet in the week 13 course with 2 different modules on these topics of interest. Welcome.